I eat eggs, insane, mashed brain, fuck it. I guess it's deranged, but fuck it, anarchy to our vein, in my vein while I breathe insanely. Eggs are choking me again. Fuck. The fucking yolk got me in attack. With a word, with a rack that wants to be beat up with a bat. Fuck it, I come out and attack. I do my thing cause I know E. Oh, y'all homies. AE, West Side till we die, homie. And it's no bad words being spoken. It's just the truth. I ain't gonna put no name onto it. It's just being true with you too. I was fucking up. Yo, I admit that too. And why do I feel like my brain's going dead? Why the fuck do I think the birds are tweaking in my head? And they're telling me, teasing, Wheezy, fuck you, Heezy. I ain't doing that stupid show for your entertainment, ho. I'm doing this for me. Fuck y'all rodeo shows. I do it because I know the time's going down. Time's going down like a flame without hindsight while you see me in my eye flight. Fly away with insanity being spoken again. Oh shit, he said the words. Fuck. I gotta stay silent. No.